All right, let's review it. First, I want to show you guys how different this looks to our Alamo Candy Co. Chamoy pickle. As you can see here, the liquid seems a little bit more thicker and foggier compared to the other one, which is liquidy and very see-through red. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. All right, so we're gonna try the juice. It definitely is thicker, tangy and a little salty. I couldn't find a clear cut for you guys, but you see how thick it is? Yeah, crazy. Let me give you guys a close-up. So that's what it looks like. I seriously wouldn't mind pouring this over like some hot Cheetos or something, but now let's get to the pickle. Okay, so it's definitely not a jumbo pickle. This is what it looks like. Let's take a bite. It's really good. Okay, it has a really nice crunch. It does taste like chamoy and a tiny bit of heat, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and try it with hot Cheetos. Of course, Mexican hot Cheetos are the best. You can find these on our website. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Salties really outdid themselves with these. We added them to the website. We only got a few of them because we wanted to test it out first, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys think I should do a pickle kit or just like this. You can find these on our website. The link is in our bio, or you can go to MexicanCandyLady.com. We're working on setting up our TikTok shop, so give us a few days and we'll get that going for you guys. But yeah, definitely give them a try. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're both really good, but this one it really is good. So check it out, you guys. Link in bio.